Time for saving our design. For saving our design, we need to click on the Save button and the design will be saved on our account. We'll be able to access our saved designs by clicking the My Designs button of the main menu of the platform. We can also export our design in a JSON file by clicking on the Export button, which will allow us to save the design in a local file in our computer. Logically, there is also an Import button, to import edCrumble files and open designs from JSON files generated with the platform. On this menu, we also have the Help button, which opens the tutorial web page on a new window. One interesting button of the edCrumble editor menu, it's the Summary button. This provides us a summary of the design which can be printed. Let's do it. After clicking on this button, a new page will be opened with a menu with 5 options. The first option shows us a general summary of the context information about our learning design, the title, the topic, educational level, the dates, the number of students, the design description, the list of learning objectives, and the evaluation. The second option gives us a list of the activities, with all the tasks, resources, etc. The third button provides a list of the resources and hosting mediums, whereas the fourth button gives us a list of all the design analytics generated by the system. Finally, the last button shows us the interactive visualization of our learning design. Note that we are able to print each of these documents by clicking on the Printer button on the top right corner of each page. If we come back to the editor, we still have 2 buttons for discovering. If we click on the Guides Configuration button, a new pop-up window will appear. Note that we can select 2 educational models, Flipped Classroom and Problem-Based Learning. We'll activate the Flipped Classroom model and let's see what's happen. Note that, now, the tasks have a new element on the header. This element will guide us to design and apply the Flipped Classroom model. It gives us the list of the different steps of the model depending on if they have to be implemented in class or out of class. For example, the steps 1, 2, and 3 are deactivated on the in-class activities. If we hover the mouse on the steps, the system provides us a short description of each step. These are short educational guidelines which can help us designing the corresponding tasks, and with the correct order, following the educational model selected. The process for the problem-based learning guideline works the same. The last button of the editor's menu is the Sharing button. If we click on it, we'll be able to select to whom we would like to share our design, to all users in the platform, or in specific user or group of users. That's all for the creation part. Now you are ready for creating awesome learning designs with the edCrumble editor. We can come back to the main menu of the platform by clicking on the edCrumble button and see our design on the My Designs menu. Watch the next video to learn more about it.